Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to this video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and change your currency in your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website if you have not already by going right here to shopify.com, and once you open it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. But the first thing you need to do in the upper right corner, if you have not already, is log into your Shopify account. So if you do not already have one, just sign up for one, and after logging in, this is going to be the main page. From here we can get started setting up our store, managing everything we have, and here at the left side of the screen we have all the sections we can use for managing our store. Right here at the bottom of the left part of the screen we can find the settings options. This is what you want to open up. Open up your settings options. From there guys, you're going to go ahead and be able to access all your settings right here. You want to go ahead and open up the general settings, and from here you are going to go ahead and be able to edit all the general settings that you have for your store. And as you can see guys, one of the main options you have right here to edit is your store defaults, where you can go ahead and manage your currency display. So to manage the currencies customers see, you can go to markets, and here you can go ahead and manage the currency that you see in your store. So you can change the store currency or the formatting, and you can select what currency you want to use. So select the currency you want to use right here, select the reason for changing if you want, and click save, and just like that the new currency is going to be applied to your store, and that's how to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching today's one. I hope to see you next one, and bye.